Hey folks, this video I'm going to show you how to remove the center console out of a 2007 Saturn Outlook. This goes for 2007 to 2010 Outlooks, the Chevy Traverses, the GMC Acadias, and the Buick Enclaves. So one thing you want to do is you're going to have to disconnect the battery, which is underneath here. Great spot for it, by the way. And then you have, right here, you have a 10 mil. Up there you'll have one as well, which feels like it's already out of this one. The easiest way to get to that, you have a 15 millimeter here. Again, you have a 15 there, and the same on the driver's seat. What you can do is you can take those out and you can lean the seat forward so you can access this screw, the screw that's up in there on both sides. And then you also, when you're up front, you will have to remove this cover here, and there's some screws up front there. There are no screws for this pocket, and don't worry about up top. Okay, and same on the other side. So let me get all that out. Let me get the seats out, tip these forward, and I'll show you all the other screws once I get this cover off on both sides. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have the seats out. This one and the passenger side one's just sitting outside the door. Okay, and I have the two side panels off, as you can kind of see through to the other side there. Okay, so now that they're off, just simply take a 10 mil, take this screw here out, right here, this one, and there's two on the back, like I mentioned earlier, that you got to take out. And I still got to take those out of this one, so I'll do that in just a moment. But if you have an amplified system, your subwoofer sits right here, right below your console. There's the sub right there. So I get these out here. They're not very tight. Like I said, they are at 10 mil. So okay, so now all the screws are loose on the bottom. I forgot you have to take off your trim around your cup holders, which is held on by just clips. So nice and gently pry around them. On the outside, I just simply took my pick down there, just wedged it up underneath, and just turned it and popped them up. And then up here you will have, right there and over there on the other side, you will have a T15. Once you take those out, I just simply lifted it from the cup holder, and you can see it pulled away from the dash. See that? Just pulling it up from the cup holder there, and this should come right out. So that's how you do it. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because the airbag module, I believe, is dead on this one, and it lives right underneath there. So, yay. It's the only reason I'm doing this. So, if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and installation is just a reversal.